that most of the time people, they compare Pakistan with the countries. Look at our population. Look at our resources. Keep yourself updated. We talk about the facts, we talk about the data. And apart from that very thing, because I do lots of awareness session, I also go for the cybersecurity sort of the awareness session, so many other things. One thing for sure, I will tell you people that our aim is to make the cyberspace a safe space for everybody, so that everybody should come, they should do something creative for Pakistan, they should do something positive, something constructive for the Pakistan. And while somebody was saying that don't go for the education, you will not land up with the job or something like this and that, okay, with all due respect, that is a sort of the disinformation. And the disinformation, again, if somebody is doing online, and this thing in particular happens, wherever I go and I talk about this very topic, I usually find that most of the people, they are already leaving the hall, okay? So don't listen to these sort of the people. What I usually suggest people, go for a degree, whatever is available to you. If you can afford for the degree, achieve it. If you can afford a certificate, go for that very thing. Whatever comes in your hand, because at some platform, it eventually pays you off. It will definitely do that very thing. And never think, and another thing, it is being said, opportunity is not everywhere. Talent is everywhere, opportunity is not everywhere. So you guys are as talented as somebody in Islamabad, in Karachi, and in Peshawar, in Lahore. You people are as talented. You can beat them evenly. But then the thing is, the opportunity is not there. Yes, we do realize that very thing. But as of now, since we are living in a cyberspace, so you can create these opportunity online yourself. And we as a National Cybercrime Investigation Agency, our mandate is to make that space safe for you people. Thank you so very much.